Hi, I'm Varun Athitiya from Chennai. I completed my Masters in Structural Engineering in the year 2017. I worked for 4 years in the wastewater treatment sector for the National Mission for Clean Ganga. I was quite inclined towards technology. So before quitting my career of 4 years, I gave myself enough time. It was in August 2021 when I saw a video of Mr. Arun Prakash sir on YouTube. That's when I made my decision to join GUI. I had no second thoughts. From what I know, there is no other edtech company which offers support to students like GUI does. Here I mean the placement support, the mixture of live and recorded lectures, the skill enhancement sessions and the doubt clearing sessions. If you are someone who wishes to gain your knowledge in the domain of your choice, or are a career transitioner like me, or an IT professional aiming to go land on a better job, I think GUI will be the right place for you to start. Thank you. All the best.